The Sneyboer Bulb Planter. This tool features a tapered stainless steel cone, along with a tread you can stand on to push it into the ground with ease, and an ash wood handle. The planter allows you to work quickly and easily without straining your back. Rest the bulb planter on the ground and put your hands on the handles. Use your foot to push the planter into the soil, then give it a quarter turn. Pull the planter out again and you've got just the right-sized hole. The plug in the planter is released when you make the next hole. You can use the bulb planter to plant bulbs of up to 5 centimeters in diameter. It is ideal both for light and heavy soil, planting large quantities of bulbs, and hard-to-access borders.